Hello beautiful people! Welcome back to our gorgeous channel. Get ready with me as I'm going to visit my dentist to have a deep cleaning of my teeth. And this makeup is just super easy, quick, and it's just an everyday look. If you wanted to learn more why my makeup's still in place even if my dentist really murder my teeth for a few hours, continue watching. And for my primer, I will use this Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. And this is super hydrating, so I really love this one because my skin is super dry. I want to make sure that I apply it generously all over my face to give a good hydration. For my eyebrow, I am using this Revolution Fluffy Brow Duo. The shade for this one is Ash Brown. This brow pencil is super easy to use and it's not complicated at all. As you guys probably know, I always want to shape my eyebrow first and just create a hair stroke. Then to make it look more natural, I'm using this NYX Stick It Eyebrow Mascara. The shade for this one is Espresso. Then for my concealer, I am using this L'Oreal Concealer. The shade for this one is W6. So I'm going to go with lighter coverage, and this concealer is just super easy to blend and it has hyaluronic acid, and at the same time it will hydrate my under eye, and look how smooth my under eye is. I'm also using this one to carve my eyebrows. To set my under eyes, I am using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. The shade for this one is Light number 2. Then for my powder foundation, I am using this e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation in light number 250. This time I'm gonna go with a lighter makeup, so I'm not gonna use a liquid foundation. And for my contour, I am using this Morphe Contour Stick in hashtag effect number 15. I super love this contour stick. Look how it easily blends on my skin. I just apply it under my cheekbone and then my jawline and then my forehead to create like dimension, and just simply blend it. For my nose line, I'm using this Haus Labs Power Sculpt Velvet Bronzer. The shade for this one is medium level 5. This helps create a perfect shade. For my eyeshadow, I am going to be using this Iconic London Face Palette. I use the bronzer on this palette because it gives like a very natural looking eyeshadow. Then for my eyeliner, I am using this Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner. The shade for this one is Deep Brown. Then for my liquid eyeliner, I am using this Milani Bro Liquid Eyeliner in Espresso. I love using this as my liquid eyeliner because I can easily apply it. For my blush, I am going to be using IT Cosmetics Vitality Cheek Flush. The shade for this one is Magical in Mauve. My highlighter, I am going to be using this Stila highlighter in Magnificent. The shine of this highlighter is blinding. And then to set my face, I am going to be using this Stila Loose Powder. The shade for this one is Tender Rose. Then for my setting spray, I am going to be using this Milk Pore Eclipse Setting Spray. This dissolves my pores big time. And then for my lipstick, I am going to be using this Buzz Up Cosmetics Lip Oil. I love this lip oil because it changes the color based on your pH level. There you go, beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is just super easy. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.